I think the first thing that a patient seeking for help needs to realize is that you don't want to go to a corporate. A corporate, you're only a number and they're only interested in selling you stuff. You want to go to someone that has dedicated part of his life or a training to doing implants and that is interested in you, in helping you as a persona, and is not looking at you just as a number. When you go to these providers, that usually DSOs, usually big corporates, they just have one way of solving or presenting you a solution. And that's what makes them the most money. But what if you don't need all that work? What if you can just do a couple implants here, maybe just the top, and not necessarily extracting all the lower teeth? So we can customize what the patient needs for the patient needs and not for the doctor's pocket or the company's pockets. I think when it becomes to medicine, and especially dental implants that take quite a bit, and it's a journey. You're gonna spend a lot of time with this office, with this dentist, with the staff, and you really wanna feel happy, you wanna feel like family.